Welcome in my channel Digital World. In this video we learn about few tuple functions. So create new file, click on new, select Python 3, rename it as tuple function, click on rename, write title Python tuple functions, select markdown, go to new line, see first example, find length of tuple. Take one example, tup1 is equal to, write tuple in round bracket, there are multiple values are taken, and to find length of tuple we are using len function. So write length of tup1, it gives length of tuple, that will be 5. So there are total 5 elements are there in the tuple. Next example, find maximum value from given tuple. Take the same example, write max function, max into bracket tup1. So here maximum value 50 is displayed. Third example, find minimum value from given tuple. To find minimum value we will use min function. So write down min into bracket tup1. So in tup1 minimum value is 10, that is displayed over here. Next example, summation of all elements in given tuple. To perform summation we have to use sum function. So write sum of bracket tup1. So addition of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is 150. Next example is sorting in ascending order. Here we take new tuple tup2 is equal to, represent numbers in any order. So tup2 is equal to 2619466 so we will take one more value 8. Okay, so for sorting use sorted function into bracket tup2. So this is sorting 1 2 4 6 8 9, sorting in ascending order. Next one is sorting in descending order. Sorting in descending order. So tup, same example we will take, just write sorted into bracket, we have to sort tup2. So write tup2, we have to sort in reverse order. So write reverse is equal to true. Press enter. So it is in the reverse order from 9 to 1. Take one example for reverse string. reverse tuple. Take new tuple. tup3 is equal to, take values 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Use reverse function. So tuple into bracket reversed into tup3. Now all the items are reversed. From 100 to 500 are reversed to 500 to 100. Now if you want to use delete function, 8 delete function in tuple. Suppose we want to delete one value from the tuple, then we can use del function del into tup3, and I want to delete one value at location 2. So it shows error. So tuple object does not support item deletion. So delete function will not work with tuple. Take one example. Tuple multiplication or extension. See, we have one tuple. Same tuple we will take tup3. We will create one tuple. Right, tup3 I want to update. So what is tup3? tup3 is 100 to 500. Now I want to write tup3 is equal to tup3 multiply with 2, and then we have to observe tup3. Just see what is happened. Right, so same tuple is extended again, 100 to 500, again 100 to 500. Now I want to repeat the same step 3 times. Then we can write tup3 multiply with 3. Then the same tuple we can observe here, tup3 is 3 times. So here we can see the same output. So this is repeated 3 times. This next example we'll see about indexing. Right, so what is our tup? We have tup1 with us, so this is our tup1. Right, so in the tup1 I will use index function. So tup1 dot index into bracket I will write 2. Right, so tup1 dot index into bracket 2. So tuple dot index x not in tuple. So what are the x we have? The x value is not available here in the tuple. Right, so for example we are writing tup index 20. Yes, 20 is available in the same tuple and the respective index is 1. Similarly, if you want to find out the tuple indexing for 50, so tup1 dot index into bracket 50. So 50 at which location? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So tup 50 is at 5th location. Next, one more function we'll see about, count function. So last one is example 10. We'll see about count function. Count number of elements in tuple. So take one example. Tup2 is equal to 10, 10, 10, then 20, 30, 40. We have to check that how many times 10 is repeated here. So write tup2 dot count into bracket, write 10. So how many times 10 is repeated? 10 is repeated 3 times. So in this way count function works with tuple. So here we see there are multiple functions, for example length function, max function, mean, sum, sorted for ascending order, sorted for descending order, reverse tuple. Delete will not work with tuple. It is not possible to delete the function. We can extend same tuple multiple times with some operators. The next one is index function. We have to find out particular index value or indexing of the particular number, and the last one is how many times the number is or element is repeated. Thank you.